In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use casting in the Brave browser. We'll start right inside Brave. Make sure the browser is open on your computer because we're going to turn on the built-in casting feature that lets you send a tab or compatible media, like a YouTube video, to a cast-enabled screen. Head to the browser's settings. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the main menu, then choose Settings. If you prefer the quick route, you can also type Brave/settings/extensions directly into the address bar and press Enter. Either path takes you to the same place. On the left side of the settings page, select Extensions. This is where Brave organizes features that can be toggled on or off. Look for an item labeled Media Router. This is the component that powers casting in Brave. When you find it, move the slider to the right so it's turned on. Think of this as enabling the engine that discovers nearby cast-ready devices and handles the connection for you. As soon as you turn it on, Brave will prompt you to relaunch. Click the Relaunch button. This quick restart is important. It applies the change so the casting tools become available throughout the browser. The window will close and reopen automatically, and you'll be right back where you left off. With Media Router enabled and Brave relaunched, you're ready to cast. One easy way is to right-click anywhere on a web page and choose Cast from the menu that appears. Brave will open the casting panel so you can select an available device. When the panel opens, Brave looks for nearby devices and lists them for you. If you don't see any right away, give it a moment while discovery completes. You can also get to the same option from the main menu. Click the three horizontal lines again, go to Save and Share, and then select Cast. This route is handy if you prefer navigating through menus rather than using the right-click menu. When you're playing compatible media, such as a YouTube video, keep an eye on the address bar. A cast icon may appear there automatically. Clicking that icon gives you the same device selection panel, and it's a convenient shortcut when media is detected on the page. Remember, this icon only shows up when Brave detects something it can send, so it may not appear on simple pages without media. That's all there is to it. By enabling Media Router and relaunching Brave, you unlock multiple convenient ways to start casting right from the browser.